ka jing ai lat Ot-Kba ki nong shong shnong Lapangap hadu ka por chiteng sngi ka ar huar trik risaw al da ar pusan kala Ïaid Beit Ïaid rinti hapdeng ka jing pahara ba perking bha de ki bor pulet ka West Giant Hills district ka jing Ot-Kba ha ki jaka khap puat bar ka Assam ha ka de shnong kala urlong da ka jing ekren sani hapdeng ki bor sarkar jila Meghalaya bar Assam Karbi Autonomous Council ki bor district na West Giant Hills but West Karbi lem ki bor shnong na tapat bat Lapangap ka jingsha khang Ot-Kba ki nong Lapangap ka de hadien ka jingja yakin ad ha ka khandai trik risaw alda arpusan habalakin no ba ki jaj bin rio Karbi ki wan pinthut da ka basiat da ki dri siat sim nakate ka jing yakin ad dan ka jing kan no ba weu jaj bin rio Karbi ula yap ya ka ba ki pulet ki dang Tohkit hadu mental la u yap na ka daw ayu Ujakpal Singh Dhanawa IPS SP ko West Giant Hills District ubadon lang Lapangap hakani sngi ulaong bagajing Ot-Kba ka Ïaid Beit bat halor ka Jingïap utay ubriyo ki pulit kin Tohkit bniya but on kem ye ki Donkti.
See, presently it has just started, so far it's peaceful, so and it's under close watch, so hopefully it will remain so also. See, it's not an issue which has happened today. It's it has its lows and downs, ups and downs. See, today we had a negotiated settlement with the Karbi side. Both sides they have shown utmost prudency to arrive at a settlement. So it's our hope, it's our wish, and it will be our quest that it remains peaceful. See, it is a fact that unfortunately one person has lost life. It is immaterial whether that person is from which ethnicity. So law will take its own course. We will identify and we will arrest those who were involved.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya